Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video tutorial I will show you how to crochet these easy Alpine marble chickens. The pattern comes in 3 different sizes and you can find the written instructions for each size on our blog. I will put a link in the description box below. In the video tutorial today I will show you the medium size, which is this one here. This is the medium size. We have a large size. This one is the large size. Also, we have a modification that you can easily turn your chicken into a turkey for the Thanksgiving day, and you can use it to decorate your table for the celebration, like this one. For this pattern, you can use whatever yarn you have in your stash. I used worsted weight, but you can also make a jumbo version if you use a bulky weight yarn. And this is the medium size made with bulky weight yarn. You can see how big this one is, and you can see the difference. It's the same pattern, but here we use chunky weight yarn with 10mm crochet hook, and this one is made with worsted weight yarn and 5mm crochet hook. Now let's begin with the pattern. The materials that we will need for these patterns are worsted weight yarn. I'm using Tweed Delight by Hobby, which is 85% wool and 10% acrylic. It's for medium weight yarn, and we will use a 5mm crochet hook, a little bit of polyester fiber fill for stuffing, a tapestry needle to close the upper part, and we will use safety eyes, which are optional. You can easily make your eyes with a piece of black yarn. Also, we will need a small amount of red and orange for the beak, and red for here. Let's start. In this video tutorial I will show you how to make the mini maple Alpine chicken, this one here, but you can find the written instruction for the other sizes on our blog. I will put a link in the description box below so you can check it. We will make this version now. For round 1 we will start with a magic ring, and then we will make 10 half double crochet into the ring. Chain 1 once you finish your magic ring. The initial chain 1 or chain 2 won't be counting as a stitch throughout the pattern. So after you made the chain 1, make 10 half double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 10. 10 half double crochet, close your magic ring, and secure and join with slip stitch into the this is your first chain. This is when you are closing your magic ring, and this is the chain that we've made. Join it with slip stitch and on that chain here, like this. Now for round 2 we'll be working in the third loop of the half double crochet we just did. First chain 2, and let me show you the third loop of the half double crochet. You can see that we have the front loop and the back loop of the half double crochet, but when you turn it a little bit you will see that on the back of the half double crochet stitch we have one more loop here. This is the third loop of the half double crochet. We will be working there, pushing this front and back loops to the front, and we will have this row here. These are the front and back loops pushed to the front of your work, and you will get this edge. So For round 2 we will make two single crochet, chain 1. Instead of chain 2 you need to make chain 1 because the next round is worked in single crochet. Now in the second round we will make 2 single crochet into each stitch, working in the third loop of the half double crochet. So I'm going to the third loop of the half double crochet and make single crochet 1, then a second into the same. Continue making 2 single crochet into the third loop of each stitch till the end of your round, like this. If you don't like working in the third loop, or you find it hard to work like that, you can just make a single crochet into the back loop of the half double crochet. It will change the pattern a bit, but it's not a problem as well. And here I finished my second round. Now we will join it with slip stitch into the initial chain 1 here that we've made in the beginning. Let me count. In the end of this round you should have 20 stitches. Be careful not to miss the third loop of the half double crochet here, and count your stitches. If you have 20, then you are done with this round. Join with slip stitch into the chain 1. Now for round 3 we will start with chain 2, and then we will make double crochet into each stitch till the end of the round without any increases or decreases. We are making double crochet into each stitch like this. Continue making double crochet till the end. Now once you reach the end of your round, we will join with slip stitch into the second chain of initial chain 2. 1, 2, join here. For round 4 we will start with the chain 2, and now we will make double crochet into the first stitch, double crochet here, and we will make front post double crochet cluster into the second stitch. How we will do it? Yarn over and insert your hook around the post of the next stitch, going from front to back like this around the post. Pull a loop. We have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through the first 2. This is the first unfinished front post double crochet. Now we need to make one more to finish the cluster. So yarn over, go around the same stitch again, the post of the same stitch, pull a loop, and now we have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through the first 2. We have 3 loops. These are the 2 unfinished double crochet which will make your cluster. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is your front post double crochet cluster here. And now we will make double crochet into the next stitch, and front post cluster again into the second stitch. Yarn over, go around the post of the stitch, pull a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2. This is the first unfinished double crochet. We are starting the second one. Yarn over, go around the post, pull a loop. We have 4 loops. Yarn over and pull through the first 2, 3 loops on the hook, 2 unfinished double crochet, yarn over and pull through all loops, and the cluster is made. Now continue repeating double crochet into the first and the front post double crochet cluster into the next stitch till the end of your round, like this. Now after you make the last front post cluster, join with slip stitch on top of the second chain again to join your rounds. And for round 5 we will start with chain 2, and make half double crochet into the first stitch here, and then we will make 2 half double crochet into the second, half double crochet into the first, and 2 half double crochet into the second. Repeat this till the end of your round, 1 half double in the first and then 2 half double into the next. When you reach the end of your round, join with slip stitch into the second chain, and for round 6 we will start with chain 1 and single crochet into the first 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then we will make 2 single crochet into the third one, 1, 2. We are working in the third loop of the half double crochet. Make single crochet into the first 2, 1, 2, and then 2 single crochet into the third one. Repeat this 10 times in total for the round and join with slip stitch into the first chain here when you reach the end of your round. I finished my 6th round and this is how it's looking. Now for round 7, chain 2 and make double crochet into each stitch without any increases or decreases, just a double crochet. You will have 40 stitches in this round, so you need to make 40 double crochet like this all around. And when you reach the end, join with slip stitch into the second chain of initial chain 2 here. I finished my 7th round, and for round 8 we will start with chain 2. And now this is the round where we will be making the front post clusters as we did here. So chain 2, double crochet into the first stitch, and then front post cluster into the next here. 1 front post double crochet, the second one, and we finish them together. Then double crochet into the next stitch and another front post cluster, like this. Continue repeating 1 double crochet into the first and then front post cluster into the next. You will repeat this 20 times in total for this round, and without any increases and decreases you will have 40 stitches in the end of this round. When you reach the end of the round, here is the double crochet in cluster row. When you reach the end, join with slip stitch into the second. Here, this is the first into the second. I finished this round, and for round 9 we will start with chain 2 and we will make half double crochet into each stitch without any increases or decreases. Just make half double crochet. You will have 40 half double crochet in the end of this round. We are not making any increasing or decreasing, like this. Continue making half double crochet till the end, and when you reach the end, join with slip stitch into the second chain from initial chain 2. And now I finished round 9. For round 10 we will chain 1, and this is the single crochet around round again. We will crochet into the third loop of the half double crochet that we did here. So chain 1 and make single crochet into each stitch without any increases or decreases, working into the third loop of the half double crochet stitch here, like this. And join with slip stitch into the initial chain 1 here. And now the next round, I finished the single crochet round, and the next round is round 11, which is the same as round 7. We will make chain 2 and then double crochet into each stitch till the end. This is the same as round 7. just a double crochet into each stitch without any increasing or decreasing. You will have 40 stitches in the end. Join with slip stitch into the second chain from initial chain 2. I finished round 11, and for round 12 it is the same as round 8 as this one here with the clusters. Chain 2 and make a double crochet into the first stitch like this, then make front post cluster into the next, making 2 front post double crochet together like this, and repeat double crochet into the first and front post cluster into the next. Repeat this till the end of your round. You will have 40 stitches, and you will join again with slip stitch into the second chain from initial chain 2. Now for round 13 we will chain 2 and make half double crochet into each stitch without any increases or decreases. It is like this, only making half double crochet into each stitch. You will have 40 half double crochet stitches, and like this here, and we will join it again with a slip stitch into the second chain of initial chain 2. Now for round 14 we will make a decrease around. This is how it is looking, and we need to make it like this, a little bit decreased on top to make the chicken. So for round 14 chain 1, this is the single crochet around, and we will work it in the third loop of the half double crochet, but we will make a decrease here. So make single crochet into the first 2 stitches, 1 single crochet, the second single crochet, and then we will decrease over the next 2. So go through the next, pull a loop, then go through the next and pull a loop, yarn over and pull through all. This is the single crochet 2 together, then single crochet into the next 2, 1, 2, and we are decreasing over the next 2, working in the third loop of the half double crochet, single crochet into the first 2, and then decrease like this. Repeat this till the end of your round here, and join with slip stitch into the first initial chain here. You will have 30 stitches after this decreasing round. I finished this round, and for round 15 we will start with chain 2, and then we will make double crochet into each stitch without any increases or decreases. Double crochet into each stitch. You will have 30 stitches in the end of this round, like this. Just a double crochet. Then when you reach the end, join with slip stitch on top of the join with slip stitch into the second chain of initial chain 2 here. And once you finish round 15, let's make the last round, which is round 16. For round 16 we will make chain 2, and then we will make double crochet into the first stitch, and then front post double crochet cluster into the next. Double crochet into the first here, and then front post cluster into the next. Repeat this till the end of your round. It's 15 repeats in total, and you will have 30 stitches in the end, like that. Join it with slip stitch on top of the second chain here. Do not fasten off. And we finished the mini chicken body. Now don't cut your yarn, because there are 2 ways to close your chicken. First, you can use your hook, but you will have a little edgy closing if you close it with the hook and a single crochet or slip stitch. And if we close it with a needle, we will have this. This is more even, more flat joining. You can choose whichever you like. I will show you the hook one because it's a little, it's not a tricky, but you need to see it. Now, before we continue with closing the chicken and forming our chicken, take a little bit of stuffing and stuff your body. Once you fill your chicken, it will look like this. The bottom is round, and once we close it, it will be like this. You can see the stuffing, how much stuffing you want as you fill it along, like this. Fill it a little bit, then pinch the upper side, pinch the opening to see if it's too much or if you need more stuffing. Mine was a little bit too much. I took a little bit off. Now this is perfect. And to close and form the chicken, we are closing the tail part first. So this is here is the end of my last round. Now I will make a chain 1. This is the initial chain. To close it, we will go through the stitch of the first stitch of this side here. You can go through the front loop of this stitch like this, and then through the back loop of the next stitch here to join them. Front loop of this side and back loop of this side, like that, and then make a single crochet or slip stitch. You can use both. I made a single crochet. Now I'm going through the front loop of the next stitch and the back loop of the next stitch from the second side and make single crochet. Continue joining till you have joined 6 or 7 stitches. This is my 4th. Here is the 5th, and now the 7th. You can see that this is the tail part and it's going a little bit up. Now this will be the middle. Before we continue, if you are going to use safety eyes, you need to place them right now. How to choose the right stitches. Take your safety eyes and we will continue pinching the stitches like this aligned, so we can see which is the middle stitch for us. This one here is my middle stitch on this one. Here is the middle stitch for me. I will place the eyes on both sides right after the single crochet around like this. Here I will skip 3 stitches and will place the next one here. Like this. Let's put the safety bags on. And once we place the safety eyes, we will continue joining the top of our chicken. Continue joining it from the front loop and back loop of each stitch. In the middle part you can make a slip stitch instead of single crochet to make it a little bit more flat. So like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, I will make 5 slip stitches for the middle part here instead of single crochet. We have 7 single crochet. I think we did 7 here, and I'm making 5 slip stitches. And now towards the head I will make single crochet again. So continue joining with single crochet till you reach the end of the row. Once you are done, fasten off. And this is how it will look. This is the tail, this is the head. You can see the eyes here. Take this yarn tail and hide it inside the body of your chicken. Like this. And now once we finish the body of our chicken, we will make the tail feathers. Take your main color again, your body color, and insert your hook into the first stitch here or last stitch of the tail, this one here. Then take your yarn and pull a loop. Chain 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chain 10 and slip stitch into the same stitch here. This is the first feather, this loop here. Now we will repeat this 2 more times. Chain 10, 2, and slip stitch into the same stitch again. And the last repeat, chain 10 again. And these are the feathers of the tail. Cut your yarn and hide your yarn tails inside the chicken's body. You can also tie the starting end with your last end here, and then hide them inside the body with a needle. Here is the tail of your chicken and it's looking like this. Now let's make this part here. I don't know how it's called here, this one. Now take some red color. I'm using a deca weight red color yarn, and now this is the first, second, third, fourth. We are going to the fourth stitch starting from here. No, this is the first. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. We are counting from top. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, let's go to the fifth one. Yes, here. Take your red color and pull a loop. Then chain 2 and make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch here. Half double crochet, 2, 1, 2 half double crochet, like this into the next stitch, then chain 2 and slip stitch into the next here. This is the first part. Now chain 2 and make 2 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, then 2 double crochet into the last here, chain 2 and slip stitch into this same last stitch here, like this. Now cut your yarn and hide your yarn tails inside the body. And this is how it will look once you finish both the tail and the head. Now it's time to add the beak of our chicken. To make the beak, take a piece of yellow cover. It can be acrylic, cotton. If it's thicker like worsted weight, it will be better. And make small lines between the eyes, going from one stitch to the other, from one side to the next, like this. And repeat this a few times. And this is how it will look once you finish your Alpine marble chicken. So if you like this video tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell button so you will get a notification whenever we have a new video tutorial for you. See you in the next video!